Welcome to the Crochet Channel, the best place in the world to learn crochet online. It's great you are here today because it is always a great day to crochet.
In this video, I will show you how to crochet a coin purse.
If you like crochet or chocolate, or you just want to be a nice person, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your Crochet Channel videos. Yay!
First of all, we are going to learn the basics of crochet stitches. So to begin, you will need to create a slip knot.
You're done! And then crochet a chain. Next, let's move on to crochet a slip stitch. Next, crochet single crochet. Next, crochet half double crochet. Next, crochet double crochet. And the last one, crochet treble crochet. These are the crochet stitches you need to know. If you are ready, let's get started on the exciting crochet project.
Before you begin, create a slip knot. And then crochet chaining 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep continuing crochet chaining 20 and I will be right back. Now I have chaining 20 and then I will crochet in this one. Crochet 2 single crochets increase. 1 and 2, and then each stitch I will crochet 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. So keep continuing crochet single crochet in each stitch and I will be right back at the end. I have crochet 17 single crochets and the last stitch I will crochet 4 single crochets increase. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then I will crochet in the opposite direction. Crochet 17 single crochets. 1, 2. Keep continuing and I will be right back at the end. Now I have finished with the 17 single crochet stitches, and then at the last stitch I will add 2 single crochets. So 1 and 2. So I have 4 single crochets in the same stitch, and then I will join the first round, insert to the top of the first single crochet and then slip stitch. So this created the first round. Next, I will start the second round. For the second round, crochet chain 1 and then the first stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. And the next one, crochet double crochet. We will keep repeating this process. Single crochet and then double crochet. So next will be single crochet and then double crochet can you guess what? Single crochet and then double crochet. So keep repeating this process all the way around until the end, no increase or decrease. So keep continuing and I will be right back. Now I am at the end of the second round. It will be look like this. And then I will join the second round. So insert to the top of the first single crochet like this. And then I will switch to white yarn. So I have white yarn. Yarn over and then pull through. Then chain 1. I will turn my work like this. And then I will crochet single crochet in the next stitch to the top of double crochet, this one. So crochet single crochet and then double crochet like this, same as the second round process. So this one will be the third round. So next will be single crochet and then double crochet like this. Keep repeating single crochet and double crochet all the way around until the end, and I will be right back. Now I am at the end of the third round. Next I will join the third round like this, and then I will turn my work. I will crochet the round 4, switch to green yarn. So the round 4, round 5, round 6, until to your desired length, we will keep repeating from the second round and the third round. So next color will be green and white, green and white. I will show you how to crochet the round 4. So the round 4 will keep repeating from the second round. So for the round 4, chain 1 and then start with single crochet and then double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. So it will be look like this. Single crochet, double crochet. So keep repeating this process until to your desired length. So the round 5 will be white color. Keep continuing and I will be right back. Now I have finished with my desired length. And then for the top of this, I will crochet single crochets in each stitch. So chain 1 and then single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep continuing crochet single crochet in each stitch all the way around until the end, and I will be right back. Now I have finished with my coil purse, and then for the yarn tail, cut it off and fasten off. Next step, we will attach the zip to the top of this. This step will be sewing step. Like this.
Thank you for watching and be sure to check out the Crochet Channel for lots of exciting, easy, and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Be kind to someone today and keep smiling until the next video.